بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. So now we move to the next page after finishing the alphabet. No, we read this the last time, the alphabet. Now we move to this page. It says al-harakat, meaning the letters. Al-huruf bi-harakati al-fathi. Now we're going to go to the haraka of fath. Haraka means the vowel. Naam, the haraka change the sound. The haraka changes the sound of the letter. So this page here, we're going to be reading the letters with the fatha. Naam, the letters with the fatha. And what is the fatha? The fatha is a short line that is drawn on top of the letter. The fatha is a short line drawn on top of the letter. So we say, example here, this is jim. You see jim. And this is fatha. We said the fatha is drawn on top. It's the short line you see here. You see this is the short line. It is drawn on top of the letter here. You see now you have jim and you have fatha. So it becomes what? Ja. Jim, fatha, ja. Okay, so now we only doing fatha. Okay, we're doing fatha for now. We're going to move to the next one. After fatha is going to be kasra and then dhamma. But now let us focus on fatha. All right, let's come back to this page here. You see here they have different ways of drawing the letters. You see here, you see here, you see here. The different ways is depending on the position of the letter in the word. Sometimes the letter can be in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. Okay, so here we have alif, and on top of the alif we have hamza, and we have fatha. That's a. This one too is alif, hamza, fatha, a. But this one is only hamza. It doesn't have any alif. Hamza, fatha is the same a. So you pronounce all of these the same way. It's just that the way it is written is different because of the positions in the word. So you see here you have a, alif, hamza, fatha, which is the red one. A, aqsa. And then here we have ba, fatha, ba, fatha, ba, fatha, ba, bait. Okay, here we have 4 different ways of writing ta depending on the position of the letter. Okay, we have ta, fatha, ta. We have here too ta, fatha, ta. We have here too ta, fatha, ta. This is the round ta, and this one too is a round ta. This one too is ta, fatha, ta. So this is tamar. And here we have tha. Okay, you see the short line is drawn on top of the letter. Tha, fatha, tha. We have here tha, fatha, tha. We have here tha, fatha, tha. So here, the way it is written here, this shows us that this letter is the first letter in the word. This is how it is written. When it is the first letter in the word, it is written like this. When it is the middle letter, it is written like this. When it is the last letter in the word, it's written like this. But everything is pronounced the same way. The same way. Tha, fatha, tha. Tha, fatha, tha. Tha, fatha, tha. Thallaja. Thallaja, meaning refrigerator. Here is jim. Jim, fatha, ja. Jim, fatha, ja. Jim, fatha, ja. Jamal. It's a camel. Here is ha, fatha, ha. Ha, fatha, ha. Ha, fatha, ha. Hamama. It's a pigeon. Or it's a bird. This is kha, fatha, kha. Kha, fatha, kha. Kha, fatha, kha. All of them are kha, fatha, kha. Kharuf. Kharuf. Meaning it's a ram, it's a sheep. This is da fatha da. Dal. Okay, not da. Dal fatha da. Dal fatha da. Dal fatha da. Da'iratun. Da'ira means it's a circle. The sun is a circle. Da'ira. This is Dhal fatha dha. Dhal fatha dha. Dhal fatha dha. Dhail. Dhail means a tail. So you see here is the letters too. It's the same thing. It's just that here on top they put the pictures to help you read the letters with the word. But what I want you to learn here, most important, is to understand the letters and recognize it. You see here they have, for the most part, most of them are written 3 different ways. This shows that they're written like this in the beginning, middle, and end. It's depending on the position of the letter. You see, like for example, here it's written like this. So this is the first letter in the word. So that is why it's written like this, because it's going to get connected from here to another letter. This one is in the middle. It's a middle letter, Jim Fatha Ja. So it's going to be connected here to a letter that comes before it, and it's going to be connected to a letter that comes after it. This is also Jim Fatha Ja. So this is the last letter. There is no letter to come after it, but it's going to be connected to a letter before it. Okay? So these are the different positions. Okay? So here is the letters too. These are the letters too with the fatha. So we say alif hamza fatha a, ba fatha ba, ta fatha ta, tha fatha tha, jim fatha ja, ha fatha ha, kha fatha kha, dal fatha da, dhal fatha dha. This one is jim fatha ja, ha fatha ha, kha fatha kha. This is ba fatha ba. This is ta fatha ta. This is tha fatha tha. This is dal fatha da. This is dhal fatha dha. This is alif hamza fatha a. Okay, so please let us practice this one. And let us practice this one and the previous one, and let us try to recognize the letters. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it easy for everyone. جزاكم الله خيرا.